Arkansas Pilgrim here, on the way to meet somebody famous.
I should be videoing you.
Well, the famous person that we're meeting is now here.
And
There we go. Yeah, now we're filming each other.
Yeah, we're
Young
filming.
Arkansas
Young
Pilgrim
Arkansas
here. Yeah.
Pilgrim. I knew there was a name.
Yeah. Now we're just gonna sit here and
We're
talk
just
to you
gonna-
guys out on the cameras and interfere with what each other's saying and just be real silly. Well, we had a big long talk and ate some ice cream.
Yeah.
And now this is a real short video because it's basically an intro and an exit.
Yeah.
But that's kind of what we did.
Hey, wait.
What?
Here. You cut your face off here.
Oh no,
Good.
I'm actually over. That's a.
Oh, I see.
there it is.
Oh, okay. You got a fancy
It's a funky.
camera.
No, it's a cheap camera.
Oh,
So,
oh yeah,
anyway,
you are Arkansas Pilgrim.
That's right. This is redneck
Use what you
video
have.
stuff. Yeah.
That's
So-
where I get it from him.
Well, it was really good meeting you, Jan.
You too. It was such a good visit.
Well, hey,
Yeah.
God bless y'all. See you
Safe
next
trip
time.
home. Love you.